I'm here at the AHR Expo to talk about the Building Intelligence Quotient and the award ceremony that we just had and the program that the BIQ has with CABA, the Continental Automated Building Association. Through the efforts of a number of volunteers, including ECD Canada and BOMA and Frank Spitzer of the IBI Group and myself, we developed a ranking and a rating tool for the intelligence of buildings to complement the LEED effort, the Green Globe effort, the Energy Star effort, and other rating systems, but we're focusing on integrated and intelligence within the building systems, of which energy is a big part, but also is security and communication and operations. Today we've had the pleasure of giving 4 awards, 3 gold BIQs. There were no platinums, so we're following a similar level of expertise in the bar as it relates to building intelligence, the way LEED does. And we were able to provide awards to an Ottawa paramedic building that recently was built and is very intelligent in its operations and its technology. The Comcast Center, which is one of the tallest buildings in Philadelphia and one of the tallest LEED buildings, and it was built earlier, and it has a building automation system that's been upgraded to facilitate more energy savings now that energy is much more expensive. And the BIQ facilitated seeing where they were in terms of a benchmark and then looking at areas of improvement, which they're now doing. And that's what the BIQ is. It's a tool to benchmark the building automation, see how smart or intelligent it is or dumb, and then try to find the areas of improvement that can be paid for with energy saving, better security, higher productivity, LEED points if it's appropriate, demand response, and also better value, because the BIQ is a complement to the Appraisal Institute's effort to value intelligent, smart buildings. In addition, we gave an award to the Mars Center, which is the Mars Discovery District in Toronto, and the final award was to the 200 Vesey in New York, the Brookfield property. That's also the headquarters of American Express. So these properties have relatively intelligent building automation. They operate them intelligently, they train their staff, they make them work, and there's always areas for improvement. But the online tool, BIQ 1.0, is available to CABA members and to those that want to join CABA. You can go to the CABA e-store and purchase a BIQ for one building or a group of buildings. You can get a discount if you buy more buildings or an annual license. And of course, if you join CABA, you get reduced rates, and literally your potential membership could be recovered by the one free BIQ that we do give to all new members. And finally, we want to talk about BIQ 2.0. And in this, we are going to take, just like LEED and the other ratings, we are not standing still. We have amazing new technology from all over at this show. The show is replete with intelligent building systems, smart building systems, energy systems, communication systems, wireless systems. So all those technologies are going to be part of the BIQ 2.0, which were not originally in the BIQ 1.0 when we started out in 2008. And so those will be part of BIQ 2.0. And many of those features can be paid for by the more lucrative utility facility incentives and the demand response incentives that are provided across North America. And finally, we're looking at demand response as an area as well, where in addition to doing something all the time in your building when it's occupied, as this smart grid requires the peak load to be shaved, building automation has the capabilities to be reprogrammed for the 4-hour interval that's needed to avoid burning that last piece of coal. And so that's what demand response is about, and the auto demand response system developed by Lawrence Berkeley Lab is going out and will be complementing many building automation systems. And the incentives of being able to reduce your load to significantly help the grid without suffering comfort or discomfort is available, and we can learn more about that by contacting me at CABA and demandresponseshop.com. And for the BIQ, building-iq.com, go on, register, connect to the e-store, and get approval and try it out.